Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about units in AutoCAD or how we can set the units in AutoCAD. So there are two types of unit in AutoCAD. If you want to work in millimeter, centimeter, kilometer and meter, that will belong to metric unit. And if you want to work in feet and inches, it's belong to imperial unit. So there are two types of unit. One is metric unit and another is called as imperial unit. So again, there are two types of unit to set in AutoCAD. One is called as drawing unit and another is called as dimension unit. So let me give you one example regarding this. For example, I am saying to you that enter a dimension of 10 centimeter here. So all you need to do is you will put here 10 centimeter. You will take a scale and you will put a 10 centimeter line here. Now again I am saying to you measure this in millimeter. Now drawing unit is 10 centimeter and you have to measure this in millimeter. So that is the difference. One is drawing unit and another is measuring unit. So we have to just set up both of these units. So first we will just set up the drawing unit. So for that what I will do, I will go into the application button. From here I will go into the utilities and now you can see here one option as units. Okay, you will click here, new window will be open here, or you can use the command as UN. Okay, you will type here UN and press enter or space. This window will be appear in front of you. Now here are some options, so let me just explain these options to you. For example, first option here is type. So here unit types as architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. Normally we use architectural, decimal and engineering in AutoCAD. So what is the difference between these units? So for example, if you want to work in feet and inches, all you need to do is select architectural and engineering. And if you want to work in millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, you have to just select here decimal. Okay, so what is the difference between architectural and engineering? So if you want to select as a architectural, it will be measured as 1/16 as a fractional, and if you will select here as a engineering, it will just measure it as 5 feet 6 inch, 5 feet 4 inch, not as a fractional. Okay, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/3 inch. So I will just suggest you that if you want to work in feet and inches, select here engineering, and if you want to just work in millimeters, centimeters, select from here as decimal. So right now I will select here decimal, and then precision mean how many decimal places after point. For example, 2 decimal places, 1 decimal places, 3 decimal places. So right now I need, for example, 2 decimal places. So I will select here 2 decimal. Again, I will just come up here. Now here are some of the options like inch, feet, miles, millimeter, centimeter. For example, you are just selecting here as decimal and you want to work in millimeter. So from here you will select as millimeter. Okay, and if you want to work as in inches, all you need to do is here, from here you will select engineering, and from here you will select that inches. Okay, so right now I want to work in decimal, so I will select here decimal. From here I will select as millimeter. Okay, after that there is a one more option that how you gonna measure the angle as well. So I need in degrees. Okay, now precision, 1 places, 2 places or 3 places, 3 decimal places. I need 1 decimal place for angle as well, and then I will press OK. So this is how we just set the drawing units. After that I will press OK. Let me give you one example. For example, here I want to put a line of 100 mm. All I need to do is just I have set the units in millimeter. You can see here I have set the units as in millimeter. So I will just put as a command L enter line. Okay, then I will start a line from here, first point, and then I will press here as 100 units. 100 units mean it will be in millimeters. So I will press here 100 and then I will press OK. So this is called as drawing unit. Now I want to measure this line. For example, I will just give you brief explanation regarding how we can measure the things. But here I am just putting the dimension as TAL and I want to measure this line, for example. So this line here is 8 feet and 4 inch. So what was the drawing unit? Drawing unit is in millimeter. Now measuring unit is in feet and inches. That is the difference between both of. Okay, so I want to change this as well. To change that, I will go into the dimensions. For that I will press D and then enter. That is the command for dimension. Okay, D and then enter. It's mean dimension style, D and enter, and this window will be appear here. So here you can see as a standard. From here I can modify. To modify, I will go into the modify and I will go directly into the primary unit. This is the primary unit option. From here I will choose what I choose for drawing units. So here I will choose as a decimal, and I have already explained to you that what is architectural decimal and what is engineering. So from here decimal, and I will choose precisions as 2 places, and then I will press OK. Now you can look closely. After that what I will do, I will select as a set current and then I will close this one. Then again I will take dimension of DEL. Then I can check from here as dimension. So now you can see here this is 100 mm. Now that is difference between measuring unit and drawing units. So hope you understand both of these, that what is drawing unit and what is measuring unit and how we can set both of these. So in next tutorial I will explain you more about this. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.